disrupting the industry. This phrase has been making headlines all over the internet, but it feels like something more than just a clever marketing slogan. Elon Musk once said, he is not a fan of disruption just for the sake of it. He mentioned that if there is a real need for something to be changed and it has importance for the world's future, then it should be disrupted. Well, guess what? That disruption he hinted at is finally here. Welcome to Amp Drive, where we explore breakthroughs shaping tomorrow. Before we dive in, if this kind of tech content excites you, please tap that subscribe button and become part of the Amp Drive journey. We are just getting started, and your support means everything. The Tesla Pi tablet has now been officially introduced to the public, and its price is causing a huge sturgis under $195. Even more surprising, Tesla only spends around $47 to make it. How can this be possible? In a time when powerful devices usually come with a painful price tag and inflation makes even basic technology feel far away, Tesla is completely changing that expectation. Because a tablet under $195 does not mean you get less, it means everything is different now. So what exactly are you getting at that price? Let's begin with this first part. How is Tesla shaking up the tech world by making a tablet for only $47? How can a device that outperforms a MacBook Pro be produced for the price of a dinner at a restaurant? That question may seem absurd, but Tesla has found a solution to a challenge that has confused the entire industry for many years. While other companies struggle with outdated production systems and bloated supply chains, Tesla's new strategy is so advanced that it is rewriting the rules of how tablets are made. At their Gigafactory located in Texas, Tesla has built the world's first dedicated tablet production line, which can turn out an unbelievable 2,700,000 units every single month. But here's what will leave you speechless. Their production process is 94% automated compared to just 31% automation in the rest of the industry. This means Tesla can build tablets with extreme accuracy while getting rid of labor costs and human mistakes that usually slow things down for other tech companies. And it gets better. Their tablet design uses 73% fewer parts than other brands, reaching a near-perfect first-pass yield rate of 99.99%. This level of efficiency is almost unheard of in electronics. The real change comes in how Tesla has transformed the supply chain. Their internal battery cell production brings costs down to just $18 per unit. Meanwhile, competitors are stuck paying $67 per cell on the open market. That alone gives Tesla a cost edge of over 270%. But it doesn't stop there. When it comes to screens, Tesla's direct agreement with Samsung Display lets them buy top-quality OLED screens for just $31 each. Other companies? They are stuck paying $89 for the exact same panels. And here is where things get really wild. Tesla's custom-made D1 processor is produced for only $23, but delivers power equal to chips that cost other manufacturers over $100. $56. The reason Tesla can do all this is because they control every part of the process. They make their own version of Gorilla Glass, cutting out third-party markups. Their special 4680 battery cells have been redesigned for tablets, giving them power over the most expensive component in every tablet. Their Tesla operating system runs with zero licensing fees, while other companies spend millions to license software from Microsoft or Google. Even delivery is managed through Tesla's own store network, cutting out the retail middlemen who usually add hundreds of dollars to the price tag. When everything is totaled, Tesla's full materials cost is just $47 per tablet. That's compared to the industry average of $287. They are building better devices at 84% less cost than anyone else. And here's the big reveal. Tesla earns just $11 profit per tablet, but makes around $340 per year through services like subscriptions and apps. So one $195 tablet ends up generating $3,400 over the life of each customer. At this point, do you think Tesla is even playing the same game as everyone else? If that shocked you, type out the number 47 in the comments to show your support for this unbelievable price. But the real surprise is still to come. Making a cheap tablet is one thing, but what if that tablet could understand how you feel, react to your emotions, and act like a true companion? The next part of this journey explores how the Tesla Pi tablet might be the first machine that actually connects to your feelings. The Tesla Pi tablet does more than respond to touch. It can actually detect your mood and transform based on how you feel, all in real time. This is the first consumer device that builds an emotional bond with its user. The technology behind this will truly astonish you. At the center of this feature is Tesla's own Emosense Chip. It is a next-generation biosignal feedback sensor that detects your heart rate and skin temperature with just a simple touch. Within seconds of you placing your fingers on the screen, the device learns how you're feeling. The entire user interface shifts based on your emotional state, and it does this with 85% accuracy rate that equals medical-grade health technology. If you are anxious, the screen changes to gentle blue colors and dims to help calm your nerves. If you need energy and focus, it switches to vibrant red tones and boosts contrast to sharpen your mind. This isn't about changing themes. This is real emotional interaction between you and a machine. Now, you might be wondering if the tablet senses your feelings. Does it store that private information? In a time when nearly every app seems to spy on us, that is a fair concern. But Tesla planned for this. The Emosense chip has no cloud connection by default. Everything it detects, your pulse, body temperature, stress level stays right on the device. Tesla processes it all locally using encrypted hardware inside the tablet. None of your emotional data is uploaded or shared unless you personally give permission. Tesla has made it clear that this is not a tool to monitor you. It is a mirror designed to help you understand yourself better. If you want total privacy, you can switch on emotion lock mode at any time. That turns off all biosignal sensors, either for a short while or forever. You are in full control of when the tablet listens and when it functions like a regular screen. But what about fears that this technology goes too far? That it begins to act like a person or tries to imitate human feelings? That is a deep and emotional fear, and it is reasonable. But here is the truth. The Tesla Pi tablet does not feel anything. It reflects what you feel. It does not create emotion or develop a mind of its own. It reads signals from your body, like a thermometer reads heat. It has no thoughts, no emotions, no personality of its own. It is a tool that supports you, not one that tries to replace you. Now imagine what that could do in the real world. An elderly person could feel more peace thanks to calming responses. A child struggling with attention could be gently redirected through mood-aware features. Or a teacher could use the tablet to keep students engaged in ways that traditional tech never could. Do you believe the Emosense chip is something all smart devices should have? If you agree, drop the word chip in the comments and let us know your thoughts. Now let's talk about something just as powerful: culture. Tesla's new Cultural Sync operating system supports more than 200 languages and cultural styles across the world. If you live in Kenya, the tablet speaks Swahili and shows apps built for your lifestyle. In Japan, it switches to Menji-inspired visuals that respect Japanese artistic traditions. No other company has offered this level of personalization across cultures. Physical design has also been reinvented. The shell of the tablet is made using 50% recycled ocean plastic, helping clean our seas. It is available in 10 beautiful colors, inspired by landscapes around the globe like Sahara Gold, Amazon Green, and Arctic Blue. This manufacturing process creates 80% less waste than how other companies make tablets. Tesla also gives users a voice in how their tablets evolve. Their built-in X-Vote app lets users suggest features and vote on updates. Over 500,000 votes were cast during the first week of testing. That means your device is shaped by the people who use it, not just by corporate decisions. And perhaps most life-changing is the education mode. This free platform comes pre-installed and includes over 1,000 learning courses from coding and mathematics to world history and creative writing. Tesla is working with Khan Academy and other education leaders to bring knowledge to more than 1 billion students without access to school. This device is not just for work or entertainment. It is for lifting people up. Whether you are learning, building, connecting, or creating, the Tesla Pi tablet becomes the tool that helps you get there. So now we ask, do you believe this is the tablet the world has been waiting for? If so, type "finally" here to show your support. Still not sure? Keep watching to see how this tablet might change your life in ways you never imagined. This is not just a gadget. It is a doorway to a better future. The Tesla Pi tablet is designed to be a key that unlocks your full potential, no matter who you are or where you come from. This is not about buzzwords. This is real change, already happening in early communities that are using the device. For families with low income who were once cut off from modern technology, Tesla's $10 monthly plan makes everything possible. With over 1 billion people earning under $5 a day, tablets have been unreachable until now. Tesla is giving that power to everyone. Artists are creating more than ever before using professional apps like Blender, supported natively by the Tesla system. The Emosense Chip helps inspire by adapting the tablet's colors to match the artist's mood, making the creative process even more personal. Students are discovering new careers through over 1,000 free courses. People in rural villages are learning coding and artificial intelligence. A farmer in India built a program to help automate his fields after taking classes on the Pi tablet, and he doubled his income in less than a year. Even people fighting for justice and change are using the tablet's tools to organize movements and raise their voices. 10,000 users helped spread a petition that changed environmental laws in 3 countries using nothing but the tools on their Pi tablets. Minimalists, too, are embracing the clean design and focused interface of the Pi tablet. It delivers just what you need: no extra clutter, no environmental damage, no stress. It fits beautifully into a lifestyle that values simplicity. This is not just another tech device. It is a personal revolution. Whether you are designing, learning, growing, or leading, the Pi tablet is your gateway. Early adopters are already proving that this tablet is not just helping them do more, is helping them become more. Isn't it your time to grow? Share your thoughts in the comments and be part of this story. The Tesla Pi tablet is not just about technology. It is about empowerment, breaking financial barriers, and putting world-changing tools in your hands. If you believe in this vision, subscribe now to AMP Drive and help us spread the word. Thanks for watching.